Okay, so we are fixing the grill onto the bumper. That is exactly what you're saying. We are fixing everything for you to check how everything is being done right here at the Kantanka Automobile Assembling Plant. Today is my second time at the Kantanka Assembling Plant. My first time I came here, I showcased to you some vehicles. Today, I'm also going to show you some vehicles that are available at the Kantanka Automobile Show, at the Kantanka Assembling Plant. So I want you to stick and stay. If this is your very first time, do want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, and get notified of every YouTube upload right here at Kwadwo Safo Studio. So we are here at the Kantanka Assembling Plant. I would want you to check the vehicles out. So you are checking the vehicles out while I show you around what we have here at the Kantanka Assembling Plant. So this is the Kantanka Omama Pickup Truck. This is the latest version. Yes, the 2025 Kantanka Omama. So Kantanka Omama comes in two folds. The one that has a cover and the one that doesn't come with a cover. But the one that doesn't come with a cover, you can choose. You can choose to go for a cover. So that is exactly what you're saying. So today we are showing you the available vehicles at the Kantanka Assembling Plant. But remember, at Kantanka Automobile Showroom or at Kantanka Assembling Plant, we have the Kantanka Omama Pickup Truck, the Kantanka Omama Pickup Truck. We also have the Kantanka K71 Pro SUV and the Kantanka Onantefo 7-seater SUV. So all these vehicles that you are seeing are the pickup trucks that we have. The Kantanka pickup trucks. This one over here, like I said, is the Kantanka Omama pickup truck. This is where the cover is. I would want you to come closer for them to check out how the cover looks like. So this is how the cover looks like. Very, very beautiful. We have a remote that we use in regulating it. I would want you to come and look at how the front view of the Kantanka Omama pickup truck looks like. Not this particular one, because this one, they are not done fixing it. So I want you to see this one. Come with me. So all these are vehicles that are being assembled right here at the Kantanka Assembling Plant. This is the already assembled Kantanka Omama pickup truck. I would want you to come and check it out. This is a 2.3 turbo engine vehicle. Yes, a 2.3 turbo engine vehicle which uses diesel. Okay, it uses diesel to operate. You can use this car to travel to anywhere that you want. You can use this vehicle to travel to anywhere that you want. It comes with certain advanced safety features, which includes a 360 camera. I want you to come and look at it. So it comes with a 360 camera. That is exactly what you're seeing over here. So this is the 360 camera. This is the front view. We also have the driver's side of the 360 camera. Yes, we have the driver's side of the 360 camera, and we've also got the rear view camera. Yes, we also have the rear view camera. So that is the driver's side of the 360 panoramic view. Now, this is the Kantanka Omama Pickup Truck. So, Kantanka Omama Pickup Truck, just like you've seen, it has various colors. It comes in various colors. We have the black. So this is the black. This is also a 2.3 turbo engine vehicle. It also has 360 camera. It has the reverse voice in every Kantanka vehicle that can be regulated to put it off or to put it on. And also, it comes with a bucket. But these are vehicles that are yet to be assembled. But I would want you to check it out. So like I said, this is the white color of the Kantanka Omama Pickup Truck. Yes, the white color of the Kantanka Omama Pickup Truck. So today I'm showing you around. The last time I came here, we saw the Omama Pickup Truck, and we also had the Kantanka Onantefo. The Kantanka Onantefo, it is almost finished. It is almost finished. But, if you call us on 0242037429, we will definitely get you one. So come with me. So Omama Pickup Truck, we have the white, we have the ash. Yes, that is the ash color. Or the gray color. Yes, that is the gray color. So That is the gray color, exactly what you're saying. And we also have the blue color. Yes, we also have the blue color. So over here is the Kantanka Assembling Plant. There is one question that people were asking, that Kwadwo, what if I buy the vehicle? Do we have after sales service? Can I get the parts? Yes, you can get the parts. And in my subsequent videos, I'll, you know, walk you through the Kantanka after sales service or the Kantanka parts where we have our parts available. I'll show you everything so that you are not skeptical or you are not fearful for purchasing or for buying any of our Kantanka vehicles, because we have the spare parts available. I would also want to make this appeal to the public or bring to the public this notice that when you purchase any of our vehicles, you don't pay duty. Please have this at the back of your head. You don't pay any duty after purchasing any of our vehicles. So, like I said, over here is the Kantanka Assembling Plant, and I'm showing you around. I'm making you enjoy what we have right here at the Kantanka Assembling Plant. Okay, guys, so what you are seeing here is the grill of the front view of Kantanka Omama Pickup Truck. We are inserting, or yes, we are putting in the emblem of Kantanka. That is the star that you're seeing. So my man over here is, setting everything or fixing everything. That is the right word to use. Fixing the emblem on the grill, on the Kantanka Omama Pickup Grill. Like I said, today we are at the Kantanka Assembling Plant, showing you what we do over here. From here, we are going to see how the bumper is being fixed, and we check out the front view of Kantanka Omama Pickup Truck. So like I said, they are about to fix the bumper. We checked out the grill. So this is it. So we are fixing the bumper of the Kantanka Omama Pickup Truck. Exactly what you're seeing on the screen. So guys, like I said, everything is assembled right here in Ghana. This is the pride of Ghana. That is the Kantanka Omama Pickup Truck. This vehicle comes with a 2.3 turbo engine. It is a 5-seater. It has a very good, or it has a very large trunk, and you can travel anywhere with this particular vehicle. Military patrol, real estate, you know, all the security services, safari, or those of us working in the tourism industry, you can buy this vehicle and use it. So we are looking at how everything looks like. This is the Kantanka Omama Pickup Truck, the fixing or the assembling of this vehicle. Okay, so we are fixing the grill onto the bumper. That is exactly what you're saying. We are fixing everything for you to check how everything is being done right here at the Kantanka Automobile Assembling Plant. So after everything is done, or after he's done fixing it, we'll just close the bonnet so that you check how the front view looks like. So we are, come, I want you to see something. This beautiful lady that you're seeing over here is fixing, she's done fixing the gear switch. She's just inserting it. That is exactly what you're saying. So this is the interior of the Kantanka Omama Pickup Truck. It comes with various ventilation spots, that is air conditioned spots. It has a very nice dashboard that comes with a very good screen. When we talk about the infotainment system of this vehicle, it has a great infotainment system that also comes with a navigation. Okay, so anywhere that you're going, you have a navigation system as part of this vehicle. Yes, a navigation system as part of this vehicle. It comes with a trip recorder, just like you've seen. This trip recorder helps to record every incident that happens on the road. So that is the interior. Let's check the back, or let's check the passenger seat. Come and check out. So this is how it is. So let's check out the passenger seat. Oh, so it has a very good leg room with a Kantanka uh, Omama pickup truck. It has a very leg room, a very spacious leg room, just like you're seeing over here. Even with the seat, it is very adjustable, so you can push this, or you can, yes, you can push it forward, and you can also bring it back. If you are top, like just like what ladies, kindly display that again. So yes, if you want a more spacious leg room over here, you can just, push it forward, or you can also bring it back. Kindly bring it back again. Yeah, so that is exactly what you're saying. This is how the front view of the Kantanka Omama pickup truck looks like. This is so beautiful. Very, very beautiful. How much is this vehicle going for? It is going for a cool 450,000 Ghana cedis. I have spoken to you about the reduction in our Kantanka vehicle prices. This was initially 528,000, but because of the love that we have for our customers and hoping that every Ghanaian owns a vehicle from Kantanka, we've reduced this to 450,000 Ghana cedis, a whopping 72,000 Ghana cedis reduction. Yes, so 450,000. Contact the Kantanka Automobile on 0242037429. I repeat, 0242037429. And we are going to do everything for you, or we are going to give you your car. We have the Kantanka Onante 7-seater SUV, Kantanka Omama Pickup Truck, Kantanka Brempon Pickup Truck, and your favorite, the Kantanka K71 Pro SUV. So, like I said, if this is the very first time, please do what to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, and get notified of every YouTube upload. I'll be bringing you more videos from the Kantanka Assembling Plant. So stick and stay and watch out for the next episode. Bye.